Class 5th English lesson number 2, The Topper. The meaning of topper is the best student in class or school. Rahul entered the class. He saw his classmates looking at him. When Rahul go into the class, at that time he saw his classmates looking at him. One of them whispered. From this all classmates, one of them whispered. Whispered means to speak very quietly into the somebody's ear. Here comes the show off. Here comes to some showing display. Rahul heard this comment but did not seem to mind. Rahul listened all that, but this comment means this remark expressing an opinion, he not seemed to mind. He was the best. So everyone was jealous. Everyone was feeling unhappy behave of someone else. Everyone was jealous of him. After all, he always stood first in the class. To him, topping the class was what mattered. It is topping the class, it was so to be important. Not so with Ashish. For him, working hard was what mattered. Working hard for himself and for others. Everyone in class liked Ashish except Rahul. Now, Ashish was very helpful. So, working hard for himself, for others, everyone in class liked Ashish except Rahul. Ashish always had a smile on his face and a helpful hand for everyone. So, he was a strong wish to help everyone. Then, he helped the boys solve difficult sums, write debates, and even play harmful pranks. He surely was the most popular boy in the class. All these made Rahul jealous of Ashish. Actually, Ashish was a very helpful boy. So, all these made Rahul was very jealous of Ashish. So, examinations were near. Everyone was nervous, but not Rahul. He simply enjoyed the examinations. Examinations were very close, very near. Everyone was nervous, but not Rahul. He simply enjoyed the examinations. He loved to see everyone struggle with their lessons, but never did he try to help them. Rahul not having too strong wish to help other friends. Even if someone asked him for help, to make fun of him and said curtly and said replying in a rude mannerly. Actually, he was giving reply to very rude mannerly. What a silly boy you are. You don't know this simple thing. When the same boy went to Ashish, he took extra effort to help them find solutions. Rahul could never understand why Ashish spent his time helping others, why he was doing like this. In a few days' time, the examinations began. The first exam was of science. All the best, Rahul, said his grandfather as he left for morning walk. His grandfather giving best of luck. So, Rahul boarded the school bus and reached school on time. The bell rang and all the students entered. All the students go into the hall. Their faces had a worried look. Rahul was amused. Rahul was pleased. Why do they look worried? He thought as he sat on his seat. Actually, he sat on his seat and he was thinking why they look like worried. He looked around for Ashish. He was nowhere to be seen in that hall. Half an hour passed, and there was no sign of Ashish. Rahul became very happy. He did not want Ashish to write his exam because actually he was very jealous. Rahul wanted himself to fail. Rahul wanted him to fail. After an hour, Rahul saw Ashish rush into the hall. He saw to move with very great speed into the hall. His hair was disheveled, means his hair was very untidy, not proper, and he looked very tired. The teacher gave him the question paper, an answer sheet, and a glass of water. Because all this, when teacher saw this, Ashish began to write. He started to write. Soon time was over because already he was late. Of course, Ashish could not complete the paper. Then, as soon as the exam was over, everyone except Rahul gathered around Ashish. So only Rahul was not there. So everyone except that Rahul, they gathered, means they come together around Ashish, and they asked what happened to Ashish. Why were you late? Ashish simply said, I was delayed. I was late. Rahul could not stop himself. He said, you lazy boy, I am sure you did not wake up on time. So, you are going to fail. Actually, he said also like this. With tears in his eyes, Ashish walked away. Rahul boarded, means got on any vehicle. Rahul boarded the bus proudly. The paper had been very easy for him. He would certainly top the class 1 again because he was very proud of himself. With this thought, he got down from the bus. When he came near the gate, he had a strange feeling that something was wrong. So when he went near to that gate, at that time he had surprising feeling that something was getting wrong. His grandfather was not at the gate to receive him. Neither was his dog. He saw a doctor walking out from the main door. His father followed the doctor. Rahul ran into the house. His mother and grandmother looked very worried about that. Very worried. What happened? He asked his mother. At that time, mother said, his mother gave him a weak smile and said, nothing, Rahul. We are so thankful that nothing happened. At that time, he said, but where is grandfather? Without a word, his grandfather led him to the bedroom, and his grandfather was lying in bed. He looked at Rahul and smiled. Don't worry, he said. He said to, don't worry. Now I am a strong man, but I am very happy that you have such a wonderful friends. So grandfather was very happy because grandfather thought that his grandson also having very good friends, very wonderful friends. Rahul was in a daze, means Rahul was in a confused state. What did grandfather mean by saying this? Don't disturb him now, said the mother as she took him back to the dining room. So mother said, don't disturb to grandfather. So don't disturb for him now, said his mother as she took him back to the dining room. She explained, grandfather left for his walk as usual, as always. On the way, he stumbled, means he slipped, fell, and hurt himself. So, it was then that boy dressed in the uniform of your school passed by. When grandfather left for his walk, on the way that he stumbled, means he slipped, fell down, and hurt himself. It was then that a boy dressed in the uniform of your school passed by. He helped your grandfather to get up, because your friend only that helped to your grandfather. He made him sit on a bench till he could stand. Till that time he was there. He stayed with your grandfather and all this while, and then helped him to walk back home. So that much help that child done of his grandfather. Rahul began to feel uneasy. He asked, did the boy tell grandfather his name? Rahul was asking to his grandfather, did he tell the name of that boy? He said his name was, and before his mother could say the name, Rahul said Ashish. So before his mother could say the name, Rahul said Ashish. Yes. Mother also said yes. Said his mother. But how do you know? Rahul did not answer at that time. He was so ashamed, means he was so felt very shameful about something. He had wished that Ashish should fail. Such a wish for a boy who had saved his grandfather. The next morning, Rahul rushed to the school and found Ashish standing outside the examination hall. Ashish said, Rahul, I want to thank you. Ashish said Rahul. Rahul said to Ashish, I want to thank you so much. At that time, Ashish said, for what? Ashish asked Ashish in surprise, and even that is unexpected. How he is saying that? For saving my grandfather's life. He said about for that thanks to Ashish. Ashish just smiled. Both said nothing, but both knew that they were friends now. Rahul put his arm around Ashish's shoulder and said, today you have taught me what being a topper means. Actually, I didn't know. It means that you must be the first in everything, even if it is going out of your way to lend a helpful hand to those who need you, because actually you help me so much. Thank you.